MetaMask Staking Crypto Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'm going to dive into my experience with the MetaMask Staking Crypto Platform. MetaMask is known for being one of the most popular non-custodial wallets in the crypto space, but they've expanded into staking, allowing users to earn rewards directly from their wallet. This platform is tailored for anyone who already uses MetaMask and wants to take advantage of staking without the need for third-party services. It offers a straightforward and secure way to stake a variety of supported assets like Ethereum 2.0 with an easy-to-use interface built right into the wallet. To start with, the setup is incredibly simple. If you're already using MetaMask, all you need to do is update your app and navigate to the staking section, which is integrated smoothly into the wallet's interface. You don't need to create new accounts or transfer funds to a different platform. The process is directly integrated into your MetaMask wallet, meaning you retain full control over your keys and assets, a feature that many users appreciate when dealing with decentralized finance. Once you're in the staking interface, the platform offers multiple staking options, including Ethereum 2.0 and a few other assets. The process of staking is very intuitive. You can select how much of your crypto to stake, choose the staking duration, and confirm the transaction within the MetaMask app. In terms of rewards, MetaMask offers competitive rates, and the rewards are automatically credited to your wallet, which makes it easy to track your earnings. What I appreciate most about MetaMask staking is its transparency and security. Since you're staking directly through your wallet, you don't have to worry about relying on external platforms that could introduce unnecessary risks. MetaMask gives you full visibility on your staking rewards and any associated fees. The platform also supports a range of tokens, giving you flexibility if you want to diversify your staking portfolio. However, it's not all perfect. One downside is the relatively high network fees during times of congestion, which can eat into your profits if you're staking smaller amounts. But overall, MetaMask's staking service is a great option for users who want to keep things simple, secure, and directly integrated into their wallet. It's ideal for both beginners and more experienced users looking for a seamless staking experience. In conclusion, MetaMask staking provides a reliable, easy-to-use solution for crypto staking, with the added benefit of full control and security over your assets. If you're already using MetaMask, it's definitely worth considering as a staking option.